Have you ever wanted to move a widget in WordPress but weren't sure how to do it? In this quick and complete 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to reposition any widget on your site. Fast, clean, and without touching a single line of code. First, open your preferred browser and go to your WordPress website. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner and click Login. This takes you to the admin login page. To make things simple, you can choose Continue with Google, which securely signs you in without needing to remember another password. After logging in, you'll see the quick link section on your dashboard. From there, click Edit Site. This opens the WordPress site editor where you can adjust layouts, blocks, and widgets. Inside the editor, find the widget block you want to move. Simply click on it to select it. Once it's selected, look for the 6-dot icon. These dots indicate drag controls. Click and hold the widget, then drag it to the new spot where you want it to appear. As you move it, WordPress will show you visual drop zones so you know exactly where it can be placed. When you've got it in the perfect position, just release the mouse. And that's it. Your widget instantly updates to the new location. This simple drag and drop feature makes it effortless to organize your site and keep your layout looking fresh, all without diving into settings or code. And there you have it, a quick, beginner-friendly way to move widgets in WordPress for 2025. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stick around for more short, easy tutorials that make managing your website a breeze.